Hi everyone, here we are at the Dollar Tree, and I just want to show you some quick items before we hit the books. This right here is a Spider-Man advent calendar. This is new to the Dollar Tree. I just spoke to the lady and she just told me that came in. So I wanted to point that out. Um, I guess this toy right here, I don't have little ones, so I'm just trying to show you what's new. These stickers here were also new, and so this is what those look like. And I think those are iron-ons. They're not stickers, they're iron-ons. And those were really nice. These stickers right here that look like gemstones, oh my goodness, those are beautiful. Okay, so as I'm walking through the toys, I spotted these squishies and look at the size of them, the ice cream cones. I thought these are absolutely new, and she didn't even have to show these to me because I love squishies. I love them, and look at the colors that they come in. These are absolutely awesome. Quick idea, these would make really nice stocking stuffers. Now, in my trips to the Dollar Tree, they really have not had any shipments in of any books, and the shelves have been empty. And this is really not too far off from being empty, but she said she had just gotten a shipment in just of a few books, so I'm going to show you that. But they are very big in this store with puzzles and little kids bedtime stories and even Bible stories. So I'm absolutely loving this. But as far as the books goes, they really didn't get that much in. So let me just show you what they did here. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have a great day, guys.